Hold on to your remotes, folks. Today, we're diving into an entertainment game changer, the NVIDIA Shield Android TV Pro. Trust me, this isn't just another streaming box. It's a powerhouse entertainment hub that's transforming at-home viewing. Let's crack this open. Imagine crystal clear 4K HDR streaming at its finest. Yes, your living room has never seen colors this vivid. Movies, boom. Live sports, it's like you're at the stadium. The stunning clarity and depth are, wait for it, jaw-dropping. Gamers, these ears are for you. With its GeForce NOW integration, we're talking high-end gaming without a console. Let that sink in. Wave goodbye to clunky hardware. Hello, smooth, cloud-powered gaming. And what's this? The Shield is your personal smart home commander. From dimming the lights to cranking up the tunes, it hooks up with Google Assistant and Alexa, turning your voice into the ultimate remote control. Let's talk design. It's sleek, black, and compact. It slides right into any setup, old or new. Outfit your TV into a global entertainment command center. But don't just browse, you need to see this in action. Click the link in the description, dive into the details, and let the fun begin. Remember, life's too short for boring TV. Supercharge your experience with NVIDIA Shield Android TV Pro today.